Alright, finding the lowest common multiple is pretty much the opposite of the greatest common factor. Factors and multiples kind of have a relationship with one another, but let's just try to see what we're doing with the lowest common multiple. So instead of finding factors of 24, which are numbers that go into 24, I'm going to find the multiples of 24, which are the numbers that 24 goes into. So multiples of 24, 24 times 1 is 24, 24 times 2 is 48. If I add 20, that's 68, and then 4 more, that's 72. Add 20, that's 92. Add 4 more, 96. Add 20, that's 106, 116, plus 4 more, 120. Add 24 more, that's 144. And I'll stop right there. You can just have to do the first few. And now I'm going to find the multiples of 16. 16 times 1 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. 16 times 3, if I add 10 to 32, that's 42, plus 6 is 48. 16 times 4, 10 to 48 is 58, plus 6 is 64. 16 times 5, 64 plus 10 is 74, plus 6 is 80. And then 80 plus 16 is 96. And then 16 more, that's 106 plus 6, which would be 112. Now with the lowest common multiple, I'm looking to see, are there any multiples that both these numbers have? And if there are, what's the smallest one? 24, no. 48, okay, 48 is one of them. 72, 96. I really don't even need to keep going because I've already found my smallest one, but we can circle this too. We have 2 common multiples just in this list. We came together. We could probably keep going and find a ton of common multiples, infinite common multiples as the numbers would keep going. But our smallest common multiple, our least common multiple in this case is 48. This is going to help you when you're trying to find a common denominator with fractions, so you can add and subtract them a little bit easier. And so we'll take a look at that a little bit later.